Remember to subscribe to my channel and like and comment down below. Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Hello TT gang gang. Alright, so today's video, this is about beauty. I am going to be dyeing my hair, so it's going to be cinnamon spice. But first, we must lighten my hair. Yes, I'm using these two products to lighten my hair because obviously my ends are still dark and there's no need to ruin this beautiful hair color that I bought and still have dark hair. So we're going to lighten it. G-R-A. Alright, now that everything is mixed up, I'm going to slather all of this beautiful mixture onto my hair. It does look like a little light purplish color, but just keep in mind, again, this is only to lighten my hair. I am not trying to color my hair. You'll be surprised what my hair is going to look like at the end, but just make sure you stay tuned, stay watching, because yeah, it gets a little interesting. So I decided to just go ahead and go all the way down to the back. I had no interest of doing another mohawk, but I was smiling because my husband was laughing at me. So I let that sit for 30 minutes. Look at my hair, y'all. Oh my gosh. Look at London. All right, so as you can see, I did like a little mohawk. So now my hairstyle is going to be similar to the mohawk that I had last year when I had medium length hair. But now I'm getting ready to mix everything in. So it came with the two mixtures, a comb and brush at the end, a bowl, and some gloves. So that's what you get in that box for the hair dye. So I'm getting ready to mix everything up. Like, I'm looking at my hair like, oh my god, I can't believe my hair color looks like this. Will it take? But as you can see, it is kind of like an orangey type color. As I was putting it on my hair, I was kind of surprised because it was actually starting to look really nice. So that's why I'm like, it's almost like a sunburn type, like a sunset orangey red type color, which it was kind of interesting to me. But London was liking it. I was starting to like it. But just know that when I did let it sit for about 30 minutes, it did started to turn like a weird different color. But trust me, it comes out good at the end. So here I'm just making sure I'm getting my ends and my edges. I did go over it with the comb and the brush, and I'm making sure I stay within that line. So I use that as a guide, so which is why I'm so happy that I did lighten my hair first, because that's what I use as a guide. Make sure you stay tuned because I am going to show you like how I trim my own hair. So boom. Alright, you will be surprised that my ends were still a little dark, just a little bit, but not as much. Hey, look at that. I was feeling that hair. Oh my gosh. It looks a little bit more red, but it's really not red. And also, I did have a little patch in the back. I tell you, I have some weird hair. It's something about the top part of my hair and the one little section in the middle, but the back took just fine. So here I am, trimming my hair. I do trim my own hair. I don't think I've ever filmed me trimming my own hair on video, but you guys are going to see that part. The only part that you're not going to see is me putting a little design in my hair, but it's just little lines. That's it on one side. But stay tuned. Closer to the end, you will see that video. You'll see that part of the video. Like, this video is not long, so you guys should be able to watch it all the way through. But yeah, as far as lining my own hair up, now the back part going across my head, sometimes I do that myself with the T-edge, but yeah, I'm gonna go in with a T-edge, but you're not gonna see that part, I don't think. So I'm just making sure I go as low as possible. My hair does tend to grow out really fast, so waiting 2 weeks to trim my hair is not going to work. Like, I have to trim my hair at least every week because my hair does grow fast. But stay tuned. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There goes my line. Look, it's doing just fine. Alright, so thank you so much for watching my video. Please click that like and subscribe button, and I will chat with you guys next time. Bye, gorgeous.